सो प्रीवियस क्लास रे कौन डिस्कशन होइतला मल्टीप्लिकेशन मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिस्कस करथले। सो समस्त मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लाई करिया सिखलो। जदिरा मैट्रिक्स देछि a is of order m into n and b is of order n cross p, then product ab possible if ab product केतल possible थिला if the number of columns of a, that means n is equal to number of b देछि order p by q, n equal to p. Similarly b a केतल possible होतला b a possible if q equal to m, that means number of columns of b is equal to number of rows of a. Okay, so next रे कोन मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऊपर है गुडा प्रॉपर्टी गुडा है
ओ भाई ये काई रे काटुची ए काई रे ए सभ्यजित पत्र नहीं
properties on matrix multiplication.
आर काटुची सर
Properties on matrix multiplication. तो कौन होची प्रॉपर्टी फास्ट देखो if a b and c are three matrices then a multiplied with bc is equal to ab multiplied with c. When multiplication of whenever multiplication of both sides possible, से कौन गोज ले a multiplied with b into c, that means first रे b को c सहित multiply करियो then ताको a सहित multiply करियो राइट हैंड साइड रे कोन फर्स्ट रे a को b सहित मल्टीप्लाई करो देन ab टा को c सहित मल्टीप्लाई करो दीटा जाकर रिजल्ट सेम हो तळे लाइन लिखिस कोन लिखिस व्हेनेवर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ बोथ साइड्स पॉसिबल, दैट मींस बोथ साइड रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल हवा दरकार जदी पॉसिबल होची तो a bc इज इक्वल टू कोन हो ab c आ कोन कहसले एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Associative property of matrix multiplication. Similarly, next property कौन है? A multiplied with b plus c simply equal to ab plus ac. सेम लाइन प्ले जदी ab और ac प्रोडक्ट पॉसिबल होची दैट मींस से अनुसार जदी ऑर्डर देछि देन a टाइम्स b plus c कोन हो ab plus ac आको कोन कहया हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी दैट मींस मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव अंडर एडिशन. मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव अंडर एडिशन. ओके बुझिला एरिया प्रॉपर्टी नेक्स्ट देखो कौन पूछी लेट A would a matrix 1 2 3 4 and let I be the identity matrix of same order 2 by 2 then A into I is equal to कहते over A into I simple this one 1 2 3 4 multiplied with identity matrix 1 0 0 1 multiply करो multiplication last time पढ़ते हमें first row से तो first column that means 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0 next element कितना से first row से तो second column that means 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 next कितना हुआ 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 and last one 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1 so this simply becomes this one 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 2 2 this one 3 plus 0 3 again this one 0 plus 4 4 which is equal to matrix A which is equal to matrix A similarly I into A that means identity matrix multiplied with A 1 2 3 4 again this gives same result A so the next property is for any matrix third one is for any square matrix A there exists an identity matrix as same order of A same order of there exists an identity matrix I as same order of A such that A multiplied with I which is equal to A which also equal with identity matrix with A बुच्चरे कौन कहूँ मु शुक्ला बुझिला कि तते ओके सिंपली स्कूल रे कौन पढ़ले 5 into 1 equal to 5 which is equal to 1 into 5 that means it identity matrix टा कार काम करछ बेले as compared to 1 जो काम करथला से काम करछ पे आप कौन कहू identity matrix so this one third one next fourth one let A be a matrix 5 6 7 9 and this one is zero matrix of same order 2 by 2 then A into 0 equal to this one 5 6 7 9 multiplied with zero matrix this simply gives a zero matrix this simply gives a zero matrix so next property is A times 0 matrix is equal to 0 matrix, which is also equal to 0 times 0 matrix times A, where 0 is the 0 matrix, where 0 is the 0 matrix. Okay, so this one fourth property, any matrix multiplied with a 0 matrix gives another 0 matrix. Next property is most important. Next one, the fifth one is most important. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Generally, matrix multiplication is not commutative. That means A into B not equal to B into A. This one important property. General multiplication, that means x into y equal to y into x whenever x and y both are real numbers, but in case of matrices, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Matrix multiplication केवल है generally commutative नहीं, matrix multiplication generally commutative नहीं. Let A be a matrix 1 2 3 4 and B is another matrix 5 6 0 2. Then what is A into B? This one 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 2. This gives 1 into 5 plus 2 into 0. Next 1 into 6 plus 2 into 2. Next one is 3 into 5 plus 4 into 0 and 3 into 6 plus 4 into 2. This gives 1 into 5, 5 plus 0, 5. Next one is 6 plus 4, 10. This one 15. And the last one is 18 plus 8, 26. Similarly, what is B into A? So B into A equal to, what is B? 5 6 0 2 multiplied with A 1 2 3 4. This gives 5 plus 8 in this one 23. Next 10 plus 24, that means 34. Next one 6. Next one 8. Look at here. This one AB and this one BA both are not equal. AB and BA. Compare both. Both are not equal. Both are not equal. So generally, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Go for the next one. Okay. Tag question answer दियो. The x multiplied y with y is equal to 0. What it mean? X into y is equal to 0. Your meaning कौन? It means either either x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. That means any of the one x and y must be 0 in this case. A case रे कोन होबा either x 0 होबा नले y must be 0 होबा दरकार. But in case of matrix, in case of matrix multiplication, two non-zero matrices, in case of matrix multiplication, the product of two non-zero matrices may be a zero matrix. In general कौन सा लेवल x into y जदि 0 होचे either x 0 होबो नले y 0 होबो. बट मैट्रिक्स केस रे कोन कहूची मु दीटा नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स रो प्रोडक्ट भी कोन हे पारे ओटा जीरो मैट्रिक्स हे पारे. See the example. Let A be a matrix 0 0 minus 1 2. एटा नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स ना रे एटा ओटा नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स कोन पे सब जगह एलिमेंट 0 नाही. सो दिस इज नॉन जीरो. एंड B गोटे मैट्रिक्स ने देखो 3 5 0 0. This one also kono non-zero matrix. This one also kono non-zero matrix. But find its product A into B. This one 0 0 minus 1 2 multiplied with 3 5 0 0. This gives 0 0 0 0. A zero matrix multiply करी देखो ये must be कोन उडे zero matrix है. तो मैट्रिक्स केस रे कोन कहूची जे therefore कोन हमर AB is equal to a zero matrix. That means A is a non-zero matrix, B is also non-zero matrix, but the product AB is a zero matrix. So what do we say here? The product of two non-zero matrices may be a zero matrix. There are non-zero matrix ର product may be ଗୋଟେ zero matrix ହେଇ ଯାଇ परिबो. Okay, so this one also an important property or single bit question by important data कोन देछि the product of two non-zero matrices may be a zero matrix. Go for the next one. Look at it. And next thing देखो कौन बोलची for any square matrix, for any square matrix A, for any square matrix A is of order n by n, A square is equal to A into A square is equal to A into A, is also a matrix of same order n by n. यदि A गोटे मैट्रिक्स देछि बेला कोन ऑर्डर स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स देछि ऑर्डर n ऑर्डर गोटे स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स देछि देन A स्क्वायर कोन हो A into A is also a square matrix of same order n by n. Similarly A cube equal to A square into A, और हम कौन लिख रहे A into A is also a square matrix of same order n by n. तो सिमिलरली आगु प्रोसीड कल कौन करे a to the power n को कौन लिख पारी a to the power n is equal to a to the power n minus 1 into a. So a to the power n is also a square matrix of same order n by n, where n टा कौन है a n टा कौन नेचुरल नंबर है. दैट मींस यदि a गोटे स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स देछि देन मु a स्क्वायर a क्यूब a फिफ्थ a रो पावर 10 सब जिनस फाइंड करियो. Okay, so this one, the integral power of a square matrix. Next, if I is an identity matrix, item on this identity matrix of order 2, that means I2 column is simple 2 by 2 matrices 1 0 0 1, I3 columns for 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, its order. This one is of order 2 by 2 and this one order 3 by 3. So let I be an identity matrix, then I square is also I into I, which is equal to again identity matrix 1 square जब दे 1, similarly identity matrix और square कौन होगा same identity matrix. I cube is also identity matrix I to the power n लेवल, this one also identity matrix, this one also कौन identity matrix of same order, identity matrix of same order. Okay,